So if I had a nickel for every time I was tagged in this photo, or this photo was DM'd or messaged to me, I would be rich right now. So in today's video, I am going to DIY this amazing shield that has been sent to me. It's been going viral all over social media. I absolutely love it. I think it combines the two best parts of me, and that is pageantry and event planning. Like, I just absolutely love those two things. And this, when I saw this shield, it automatically reminded me of my pageant days with all of the bling and, you know, just the over-the-topness. And then of course it is for a wedding, so I just thought, what better DIY to do? So that's exactly what we're going to do in today's video. If you are here for the very first time, hello, my name is Melanie. I am the founder and creator of Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So you guys, let's get started with today's DIY. It's gonna be bling-alicious. Okay, you guys, so right before we hop into the tutorial, I want to share with you all of the supplies that I have here. The majority of them came from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and then I got a couple of things from Michael's and from an existing, you know, stash that I had. So I'm just going to quickly carry you guys through all of this. We may or may not use it all. I just want to be prepared. So the first thing that I got was, of course, it had a lot of little squirrely pieces. So I got that from Hobby Lobby, and along with the pearl. I don't know if it's showing up well. The pearl pieces. I also got this headband from Dillard's. It's a bridal headband I already had. And I got some more bling. Lots of bling, squirrely bling, regular bling. I got this long strip band of adhesive bling from Michael's. It was like 77 cents. I got sheets of bling that is adhesive strips from the Dollar Tree. That was really important to me because I didn't want to have to use my glue gun, but if I do, I have this roll of the mesh bling from Totally Dazzled that I'm still working on 3 years later. I got this translucent iridescent duct tape. You'll see why that is definitely necessary. I also got these bridal appliques from Hobby Lobby. Don't know if you can see those well. Yeah, so I got these bridal appliques from Hobby Lobby. And I got some safety pins and zip ties, because you never know what we may have to rig up. They don't call me Living Luxuriously for Less for nothing. Honey, we'll rig up something. And I got this white mask from Dollar Tree. I just feel like the shield without the mask is pointless. I also got this roll of pearl strands. So everything was probably, if you get it at 50% off, it'll be around $20. Then I also got little packets of bling and pearls from Hobby Lobby. So that is the haul. Of course, I have a cordless glue gun that I've shared with you guys before. And the shield that we are going to be using today came from eFavorMart. And as you can see, it has like a blue strip here. So that's why I want to use the duct tape to cover that up. And it also has a film over it that you definitely want to remove as we go along. All right, so now that we have all the materials, we are going to get started.
Like 100 years ago, life was easy then. just the way the mind works.
Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and went over the blue area with the iridescent duct tape to give it that mirrored or glass look and to cover up that eyesore. These are very budget friendly. They're like $2 and something from eFavorMart, so that's why I wanted to do that. You do want to make sure that you go the entire length and work out as many of the bubbles as you can. So that's what we're going to do. Then the next thing I want to do is cover this top area with pearls, and then that blue sort of goes all the way away. Okay, so I'm gonna just measure it across, starting on the end here, and then I'm gonna go from end to end, which is about right there, and I'm gonna cut it.
We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you.
I mean, like it would be on my actual face. And see how that just added an extra layer of elegance there. I'm going to use this bling rod to stand it up. There we go. All right. So she also had a lot of swirls coming from this side. So we're going to go in now with the swirls that I found at Hobby Lobby. If you wait for a good sale, like I like to do, this always goes 50% off. So every other week it's 50% off. So if it's not 50% off this week, just try next week and it'll be on sale. So and I like these because they are self-adhesive and I don't have to worry about using the glue gun. Now I would recommend using a tweezer. I think I brought mine. Let me check and see if I got my tweezer. So, couldn't find my tweezer, but we're gonna go ahead and work this in. And it's important to remove piece by piece and layer piece by piece. So we're gonna turn it to the side here, and we're gonna start from the side, and we're gonna cut off what we're not using so that it doesn't get entangled, which is the new word for 2020. We don't want any entanglements with this bling, okay? So we're gonna carefully place it, and this is where tweezers, I'm telling you guys, would change your life. You wanna carefully lay it and then just roll it from the bottom and place it. See that? Now, it kind of just fell in place. Y'all see that? Now, I don't like that flower, so we're gonna remove that. But for right now, we just wanna lay it flat. And we're gonna remove this out of the design because it's just not what we want. I know that she had some flowers in her design, but the important thing to remember when you're like DIYing and things like that, you want to make it as much as of your own as possible. So we're going to remove that out of the way and make it our own. Okay, like such. It's already coming together. So we had a piece that kind of fell off or broke off. And since we moved that flower, you want to make sure you want to keep the original shape of the piece. So we're going to put this in here because we removed our flower. that was originally there. See that? Already coming together beautifully. All right, so the next thing she had was a lot of, let's go in with some more bling.
Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days.
And one thing I would definitely recommend is putting it on to make sure that you can see out of it. Coming together nicely. I don't think we're gonna need all the bling I initially thought we were going to need. And this is just one long piece and I'm cutting it up.
The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you left in the pouring rain. Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there. It was you.
I'm almost happy with this, you guys. It didn't take nearly as much as I thought it was going to take.
Don't you know we had it all, those summer days. Those summer days.
Okay, so I think that is enough of that. I can't believe I'm saying that when it comes to bling and pearls and all things girly. But I think it is enough. I'm gonna go in with the scattered diamonds and pearls. This is where tweezers would definitely be super duper duper handy.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get.
And this is also why adhesive, self-adhesive bling is also beneficial, because you don't have to worry about adding in the glue or anything like that. You can just kind of do your own thing. And I hope this is showing up for you guys.
staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
There's really no rhyme or reason as to how or why you do this. You just go by what you feel.
Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you how to DIY a bling mask from the Dollar Tree and a bling shield if you are planning a wedding during this pandemic. If you guys are interested in winning this mask, I am going to give it away. So all you have to do is be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. If you are not getting married and you know a bride, please just click the share button, copy the link, and text it out to everyone that you know is getting married. They can definitely DIY everything that I showed you guys in this video for $25 or less. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!